So Jessica, you've got a brother called Kirk?
Yeah, that's right. He is 2.5 years older than I am, and we get along very well now.
You get along very well now. How did you get along in the past?
Not very well at all, actually. He was always very mean and heartless, should we say.
What was the first thing you remember him doing to you?
Perhaps the first thing was the time that I fell asleep on the bus when I was in kindergarten. He actually left me there sleeping, and I didn't wake up until my lunchbox fell on the ground when the bus driver was parking in the bus garage. So anyway, I learned at that point not to really depend on him so much.
What did your mum say when he got home?
My mom asked my brother, "Hey, aren't you forgetting something?" referring to me, and he responded, "Hey, how did you know I forgot my homework?"